What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Ariel. I do men's luxury content, so if you enjoy content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button. Enjoy this video. Drop me some comments at the end letting me know what you guys thought. And let's just jump into it. Me and Amber just got back from Puerto Rico, and I promised you guys to film how to pack a vlog, and I completely forgot while I was out there because I just got caught up having a little bit of fun with friends and family. So today we're going to jump into my bags. I left them back there. So I left the bags in the back, my Margiela bag that I took, and I think there's some other stuff back there that I gotta go fish out that I probably hung up. So we're gonna get into everything I packed, how did I pack it, what essentials I brought, because there are certain things that are specific to each individual person, like based on the trip that you're going on, based on the destination place you're going to. If you're going to Europe, obviously you're not gonna go with one bag, or maybe you will, or maybe you're just gonna shop over there. I went to Puerto Rico, I went to the island. It was just something with friends and family for a couple of days, so my packing and my bag reflected that. We're gonna get into each individual piece, each individual item. On my different pieces that I brought, I know you guys saw the Saint Laurent surf shirt, the iconic one that I was wearing, so I'm definitely gonna show you guys that. But let's get into the fit of the day, break down what I'm wearing, and then we'll jump into that after. Today's fit, I'm wearing a slate gray Save Khaki United t-shirt. Pretty sick colorway. It looks like almost like grayish blue, like a mix of those two colors. Some double RRL tiger camo cargo shorts. This pair is like perfect, hits like literally right above the knee, so I love them. And then I'm wearing my Rick Owens Turbo Dark Converse collab. But honestly, I was debating if I should switch out into these, which I have actually been wearing a lot. And I know that in the last vlog with the Converse Rick Owens, I was telling you guys that I didn't know if I was gonna actually keep them, but I actually have been wearing them quite a bit. You guys can see. And I think that honestly, after they get a little bit dirty, just a little bit worn in, they start to look a little bit better. So definitely don't sleep on these. I know that there's still pairs of the white ones out there, so if you can't pick them up, definitely get them. And I will link them in the description box for you guys as always. Now let's jump into the bags and how I packed. So for this trip, I ended up opting for my Margiela bag. I think it's just a little bit more low-key, and honestly, it is a bit more spacious than my Monogram Eclipse Keepall 55 that you guys also have seen in one of the previous vlogs. This one is one of my favorites, but honestly, we're just going with friends and family. There's no need for flexing or showing off anything like that. So the Margiela honestly just works perfect. I've had this bag for almost like 8 years, maybe longer than that now. And it's just aging gracefully. It comes with the strap, but it's just kind of like that it's so convenient. Let me put the camera like this so you guys can see. It's just such a convenient bag. Super classy, fits everything that I need in it. And the leather has just been aging gracefully, as you can see. It originally used to be like an olive, almost like a ashy green color, but it has gone in like brown. It's just literally aging perfectly. So that's the bag I took. I also took this double RL book bag just to carry my flip-flops and like my camera and all the little like tiny stuff, but I'll also get into that as we go on. But let's unzip this bad boy and let me show you guys what I brought. I'm gonna take the chucks off first because why not be comfortable, right? All right. So some of the most essential things to bring on a trip are definitely flip-flops, especially if you're going on an island. To kind of keep my bag and all my clothes from getting dirty, I just wrapped my flip-flops in this dust bag that I got from the RRL from one of my purchases. I actually put my Vince pool slides in there. These are just the Vince West Coast pool slides, just some nice black rubber slides that can pretty much go with everything. Definitely an essential. Price point's awesome on these, and just like I said before, they can literally go with everything that I brought with me. So this was one of the pairs of slides that I brought. And then a dressier pair of slides that I brought were my Birkenstocks in the sand colorway. You guys know that I got these a couple of months ago. Definitely an essential, definitely something that I wore a lot and continue to wear. It's just a comfy option. Like if you want to get dressed up and you don't want to go and throw on sneakers or boots or anything, you just want to be comfortable. It's an island, it's going to be a little bit humid. Definitely the Birkenstocks do work, and the colorway just pretty much pairs up and matches with everything in my closet and practically everybody's closet. So you can do it with denim. We'll get into these also. I brought a couple pairs of a Denim Project denim and a couple pairs of Saint Laurent denim. So we'll jump into that. But as far as footwear goes, definitely some Birkenstock Arizona slides in the suede colorway. As far as sneakers go, like I showed you, I opted for my Golden Goose slides in the sand colorway. I decided to go with these just because they're easy. As I'm going through the airport, you guys know that you have to take your shoes off when you guys go through the machines and all the scans. So it's just something you could easily slide off. And in the past, going through with Saint Laurent boots or Celine boots, yeah, you're making a statement, but it's crazy uncomfortable trying to get your boots off with skinny jeans going through that. Take it from me. So definitely opt for some Birkenstocks or some Golden Goose that you can easily slip off and make your life a little bit easier. All right, so moving on to pants and shorts and stuff like that. I ended up bringing a couple of pairs of shorts, a couple of pairs of denim, just so that I had a couple options, but honestly, I didn't even end up using half of what I brought. I just ended up pretty much just using some of the similar things every day just because we were at the beach, but I did have options to change out of, so definitely a highly recommended thing. Patagonia shorts. These are the baggies in the 5-inch length, so I got them in black, and I brought the red ones. And another thing to note about the Patagonia baggies are that they opt for swim trunks. So if anybody's looking for pretty much an all-in-one swim trunk, athleisure short, definitely look into the Patagonia 5-inch baggies. Very light, so if it's hot, you're not gonna be like sweating crazy in these. You're gonna be super comfortable, and they hit at the perfect knee length. So I brought the Patagonia. As far as denim shorts go, I brought a Denim Project by AR. I brought the custom shorts that I did. If you guys are looking for the perfect short, definitely look on a DenimProjectByAR.com. I know that we have a couple more pairs of blue distressed denim, so definitely check them out. So I brought this pair. Ended up bringing a Denim Project Painter denim for my outfit picks. So I brought this pair of Painter denim. We also have another one-of-one pair listed on the DenimProjectByAR.com, so definitely check it out. I brought some Saint Laurent Crash denim to go with my Hawaiian shirt also. That was one of the fit picks that you guys did see that I've posted so far, so brought these to kind of pair up with that shirt. White Saint Laurent skinny jean denim, so that I can also, for the dressier nights, use these. And then I also brought some white ADPxAR denim shorts that are white distress ones, but those are actually getting washed, so I don't have those to show you right now, but definitely check DenimProjectByAR.com for your one-of-one custom denim. The last shorts that I actually brought were my Vilebrequin swim trunks. They're actually special edition because in the nighttime, if you're swimming, these starfish actually light up in the dark, which is really cool. I've actually had these for a really long time, and I love them. Vilebrequin is a little bit pricey because it is a luxury swim brand, but honestly, they do last a really long time, and I love the quality of them. So it's another swim trunk that I actually brought with me that I wore a lot, so definitely check out Vilebrequin. I will link something very similar in the description box. And now let's continue with the rest of the supplies I brought. I want to bring the camera over to the back so I can show you guys how I do this next step in my bag. To kind of get the most space out of my bag and to kind of keep everything pretty much organized. So it's kind of messy just because it's been moving around a lot. Oh, here are the ADP denim. I thought I put them in my laundry bag, but these are ADP denim custom cutoff shorts in white. Now you guys know, I actually got to clean them because they're looking a little gross, but to kind of like easily be able to find stuff in my bag, one, I have my little case for all my medicine, sunblock, pretty much everything goes in this bag. I got this when I purchased like a Saint Laurent cologne. They just gave me this a really long time ago, so I keep pretty much all of that stuff in here. My glasses, vitamins and stuff like that. This is my Garmin watch. Some of you guys have seen that I started wearing this Garmin watch when I work out, so I brought this so I could count my calories when I'm walking. I have just pretty much all my little stuff. My contacts, if you guys don't know I wear contacts. Needs a solution, just a little bottle of cologne. This is Sean John Unforgivable. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but this is an awesome scent, and sometimes you guys can find this for a steal price, so definitely look into that. So this bag right here pretty much holds all my essential products. You guys have seen these Tom Fords before, I think. Yeah, you guys have seen these so many times. The Tom Ford private eyewear label, the Opticals, the horn. So I bring my glasses when I don't feel like wearing my contacts. Q-tips, inhaler. You guys know that I cut my own hair. If you don't, now you know. I shave my own head. I do it every 3 days because I like it at a specific shortness. It's like some OCD thing, but yeah. Anyways, I keep a clipper on me so I can cut my hair every couple of days. All my Apple products, all that stuff. It goes in this little bag to kind of keep everything in one little thing. And it's, you know, YSL. So, free little gifts I got. Continuing along, keeping things organized. I keep all my underwear and socks in a plastic bag. Sorry if it's like muffling up all the audio right now, but I keep all of my stuff as far as like underwear and socks go in a plastic bag so that I know easily where to find it, and then I could always just keep it all in one spot. And then it kind of just gives me more space. These fell out, but it gives me more space in my bag. As far as shirting goes, I had a bunch of tank tops. These are Gildan tank tops. As you guys know, that I swear by them. They're just cheap and easy to replace when they finish. Like, I'm probably gonna get a new one of these because it's already going on like a year or 2 years, and this thing needs to be replaced, but it's already breaking and awesome. So Gildan tank tops for the win. A bunch of Safe Khaki t-shirts, just the basics so I can swap them out. A polo t-shirt in here, just a plain black one to sleep in. It's super, super comfortable. So just a nice plain black Ralph Lauren t-shirt to sleep in. So I know that the bag is messy and everything looked out of order. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I fold my t-shirts to get the most space out of my bag. So I actually learned this a long time ago when I used to work for Safe Khaki. So if any of the Safe Khaki people are watching, shout outs to my people over there who taught me how to fold, especially to get more space. What you do is you pinch the arms in, so you get the t-shirt like this. Kind of lay it out flat. You tuck this piece over to the front, so it's kind of like that. Then you do another fold, so the shirt should go like that. And then you just roll it into a sandwich, like that. And now you have a nice little stacked rolled t-shirt, like a sandwich. And you just pretty much stack these inside of your bag on top of denim. What I like to do is put the denim first, so it's flush on the bottom of the bag, kind of gives it more support. And you could just stack everything on top. Then you could throw your toiletry bag on top and bam, you're good to go. Other than that, let's get into the shirts that I actually brought. Surf Sound Hawaiian shirt and Surf Sound Bleach shirt. So let's jump into that. This bad boy I was hunting for so long, and I got super, super lucky. I ended up finding it pre-owned in really good shape for a really good price. And I was like, yo, this is literally perfect for Puerto Rico, perfect vibe, and the perfect shirt. You guys know how much I love Surf Sound and Saint Laurent, so I'm gonna prop this up and then I'm gonna show you some of the details of the shirt. The two shirts I actually brought were the Surf Sound shirt that I just showed you, the Hawaiian one, and I also brought my favorite Surf Sound Bleach Saint Laurent shirt. But you guys have already pretty much seen this, so I'm not gonna really get into this. You guys have seen me wear this a ton of times, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna talk about this bad boy real quick. So a lot of people have actually never seen this shirt up close, nor have I seen anybody post about this shirt too much. So I'm gonna show you some of the details of it. It is viscose, so it is super, super soft, super breathable. Literally the perfect shirt to bring to an island vacation, island trip. Obviously works perfectly with the palm trees. It has like small distressings throughout, and like this one has a little bit of ripping on the cuffs. Got a little bit of fraying on the pockets, and I think on the neck. No, not the neck. But also, like a lot of the shirts that I do love from the Surf Sound collection, it has the distressing at the bottom. Such a beautiful shirt, so I'm happy to have added it to my collection. I had been searching for a very long time, especially in my size. So very glad to have it now. Such a sick shirt. So all the details, the mountains, the waves. It's a crazy shirt. As far as Sunglass Accessories, these were some of the ones that I brought. You guys saw that I was wearing Amber Saint Laurent Surf Sound Aviators, but these were some of the main ones that I brought that I was wearing a lot. Classic Tom Ford round sunglasses, the Ryans, my Celine studded, my Saint Laurent Eddie Era SL27 wafers, and then my classic Ray-Bans. So I'll try to link all of these in the description box for you guys. Some of them are older, but I will link anything that's maybe like a new version or current season one. So inside of my RRL book bag, I brought some Lysol wipes because these days you really can't tell if the flight people are keeping any of the seats clean. So just to be precautious, me and Amber both brought some Lysol wipes so we could wipe the seats down ourselves, just to be a little bit extra safe. So kept it in the front pocket so it's easy since it's carry-on. And then also, you guys can definitely just use like the normal masks, but just to be extra precautious, had the N95, which I used on our flight. Necessities that I needed to have on deck in my backpack. All right guys, so that is pretty much gonna wrap up everything that I brought. The only other thing that I didn't say is the camera, but obviously you guys know that I'm filming off of it. You can see it in the background. But yeah, that is going to conclude this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed as always. More content on the way, so probably this week or next week there will be a new vlog. So I almost forgot, the only other thing that I didn't say that I brought was a Yankee Cap, my MoMA cap. This one is exclusive to the MoMA design store down in New York. If I can find them, I will link it in the description box. Honestly, on an island with the sun beaming down, especially if you like to shave your head low like mine, a cap is essential. I like either like really plain caps or just like, you know, classic Yankee cap. I really like the MoMA museum and I like the little, you know, small little details on this one. So I bought this one a couple years ago and decided to bring it with me. And the fit is perfect. It's a nice clean cap. So that's what I was using the majority of my trip, so my head didn't get burnt. That's gonna conclude every single piece that I brought on my trip and how I packed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome again. My name is Ariel. I do luxury fashion content, and if you enjoy content like this, definitely hit the subscribe button, and I will see all of you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching as always. Peace and love.